Welcome back, UVF. I hope you had a great winter break and are ready to tackle this semester. Also, welcome to all of our new students. We're so glad you're here. We're looking forward to hearing more teachings on the second pillar, His presence, as we learn to abide and live together. Chapel this week consists of sacred assemblies. These times are set aside to seek God for what He has for each of us individually and as a university. We encourage you to be open to what the Lord is speaking to you. Today is the last day for ad drop. If you need to make any changes to your schedule, make sure you get them in by 4 p.m. We're pumped for the continuing sports season as our women's and men's basketball teams have games this Friday. They will be facing Medgar College at 6 and 8 p.m. We'd love to see you there. If you can't make it, tune into the live stream of the game on the UVF Patriots YouTube channel. Interested in being an ARA? Come out to the next information meeting next Monday in Cardone 101 at 4 p.m. This is a great opportunity to gain leadership experience and serve your fellow students. If you have any questions, contact Josh Van Dusen or Christina Padilla. The Rookie Video Contest is back for its 3rd year. If you're a filmmaker with a desire to create faith-based content, Rookie is a great way to showcase your talent with a chance to win cash prizes. It's open to all UVF students from every major, so find a team and register at the DMC by next Wednesday, January 24th. The films will be showcased on February 28th at 6 p.m. in the Flower Chapel. Come out for refreshments, giveaways, and a chance to see some awesome short films. For more information and contest rules, go to filmfreeway.com/rookievideocontest. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching, UVF!